Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Google Chrome voice search not working. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once the browser loads, you'll notice a search field right in the center of your screen. This is where you'd normally be able to use voice search to quickly find what you're looking for. Go ahead and click on the microphone icon next to the search field. If you're experiencing this issue, you'll see that nothing happens when you click it. The voice search simply isn't responding at all. This is a common problem, but fortunately, it's easy to fix. To resolve this, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your browser window. You'll see 3 vertical dots, which is your main menu icon. Click on those 3 dots to open the drop-down menu. From the list of options that appears, locate and click on Settings. This will take you to Chrome's settings page where you can adjust various browser configurations. Once you're in the settings menu, look at the left side of the screen. You'll see a vertical navigation panel with several options listed. Click on Privacy and Security. This section controls how Chrome handles your personal information and site permissions, which is exactly what we need to adjust for voice search. Within the Privacy and Security section, scroll down until you find Site Settings and click on it. This area manages permissions for different websites and features, including camera access, location, and microphone permissions. These settings determine which sites can access specific features on your device. Now look for the microphone option under the Permissions category and click on it. This is where Chrome stores all the rules about which websites are allowed or blocked from using your microphone. When you open this section, you'll see a list that shows not allowed to use your microphone. This is the root of the problem. Chrome has blocked certain sites, including potentially the search page itself, from accessing your microphone. To fix this, simply click the trash can icon beside the blocked site. This removes the restriction and allows the site to request microphone access again when needed. Now it's time to test if the fix worked. Open a new tab in Chrome and you'll see the search field appear again in the center. Click on the microphone icon and try searching using your voice. You should now be able to speak your search query and have Chrome recognize it without any issues. And that's it. You've successfully fixed the voice search feature in Google Chrome. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.